guys, so today we are going to fix that tool there that I have managed to make with the air chisel. So I'll just cut a little bit out, put a new bit in, it's no big deal, and then we'll start cutting out this cross member extension jack-in point piece and fix up the inner sill. So yeah, see how much we can get done today anyway. That's going to be, once that's done, that's going to be the majority of the inner sill finished, apart from this back piece, which we'll worry about that when we get to it. So yeah, let's crack on with it. Alrighty then guys, it is me done for today. So if you have a look under here, we've cut out a massive piece of that inner sill now around the cross member. So we're going to have to remake up one of that ear there at this side, because it's been cut off at some point in the past. So that's not a big deal. Yeah, it's not too bad in the end of the cross member at all. That's easily clean-upable, as it were. Clean that up. No problem at all. So I'll just show you it from the inside. Get in. There we go. There we are. Yep, nice dirty great hole. But be worth it in the end. Fix it right and then it'll be okay for another 10 years or 50, you know, hopefully even longer. So yeah, that's where we're at with it. Thank you very much for watching this episode, guys. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.